Okay, so this is Impact. You can see it's pretty tiny. It's a little bit about the same size as a penny. So the whole idea is that this thing has a microcontroller and an EEPROM and an accelerometer on it. So you can put this inside of like a football helmet or other sports equipment where people are undergoing very large accelerations and decelerations. There's a lot of brain injuries that are caused because people get a concussion and then they don't realize they have one and they keep playing, and you can get in real trouble doing that. So the idea is you just get one of these, you attach it to the person somehow, and then when they experience an acceleration above what the threshold for a concussion is, then a little light comes on, or in a future version maybe it will transmit back to the coach or something and let you know that you should get looked at by a doctor before you get back in the game. Uses an Atmel, initially used an ATtiny, now it's using, or initially using ATtiny 85, now it's using a larger version so that there's more I/O. You program it and read the data out from those 6 little contacts right there. And then on the back is a rechargeable battery, which is not populated right now. And yeah, the idea was just to make it as tiny as possible and as cheap as possible so that it's essentially disposable. So right now this is the version 2. Version 1 was slightly smaller but also had a bunch of problems, and this fixes a lot of those. So now the next step is to finish bringing up the software for it, and I got to build a little pogo pin jig so that I can plug into it on those pads and read the data in and out, because for now I've just been soldering little tiny wires on there. And then it'll be time for testing, and hopefully I can find someone who will let me attach this to their helmet and see what happens. So that's Impact.